Oops, here's your job. I have to sit on this phone. See that line there? Yeah. Okay, see if you can put that on there. On, now down. Right on, right?
That's a good shot. Working hard for you. And carpet floors and more. Where our trained technicians and staff are waiting to help you.
Ready? I can't see if we're on. Let me see. Oh, pretty good. I think if I just get, is that the line? Right there.
Our experienced and hard-working staff is ready and waiting to serve you.
A little closer. There, that's beautiful. Okay, hold that there. Just hold her right there. Okay.
There we go. Hey, Joe.
Wave to the people.
Wave to the people in television land. Just for you.